E-Waste Recyclers India, a women entrepreneurship venture, is a well-known name in the e-waste management industry, thriving under the leadership of Ms. Sunita Arora for more than 10 years. Since its inception in 2007, with a mission towards achieving green and sustainable India by taking care of all kinds of e-waste in the most environment-friendly manner.
We started our business in 2007 from Delhi, and our first recycling facility was started in 2010 in Mathura. After that, we start our next facility in Sona, Haryana in 2018.
Every offers end-to-end solutions by providing services for electronic waste management and recycling, 100% data wiping and destruction, IT asset disposition, on-site hard disk wiping, etc. It helps in building a continuum between collection and disposal process of e-waste by providing EPR and PRO solutions with reverse logistics through latest available technology across India to mitigate hazardous effects of improper treatment and disposal of e-waste, ensuring ocean and preservation of environment. E-Waste Recyclers India having its head office in New Delhi and government authorized facilities in Haryana and UP and collection centers across India in all states. In a country like India, which stands at third place for generating e-waste globally and is still having a lot of ignorance regarding it, Every does not only provide solutions to the problem but also participate in awareness drives at schools, colleges, trade fair, corporates, etc., educating the general public and traders its harmful effect and strive towards achieving environmental obligation of zero landfill and in turn contributing towards making Earth a better place. Being one of the oldest certified e-waste management company, it places a lot of emphasis on environment protection and at the same time excels at providing maximum customer security and satisfaction. Every is ISO certified and work under globally accepted R2 standards. Every is enjoying membership of CII, ASSOCHAM, MATE and is also part of Recycling and Environment Industry Association. Has also achieved number of awards for its work in waste management like ASSOCHAM Waste Management Award, recognition for managing urban e-waste at a national conference at India Habitat Center, Exceed Award in 2018 in the waste management sector, Best Women Entrepreneur Award and many more, have time and again proven its commitment, contribution and vision in e-waste management sector. E-Waste Recyclers India has a self-motivated, experienced team with a vision to make use of revolutionary 3R policy, reduce, recycle and reuse, and is ready to go the extra mile to prove for its services.
We thought when there is a recycling thing, so why don't we use recycling facilities for recycling these products? तो रिसाइकलिंग करने में हमारा एक तो पोल्यूशन कम हो जाता है, हमारा एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन जो है उसमें थोड़ी सी कमी आ जाती है और हमारे जो रिसोर्सेज हैं जैसे आपका प्लास्टिक है, आपका मरकरी है या आपका एल्यूमिनियम है या आपका गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर है जो मदरबोर्ड में मिलता है, उन सब की भी हमारी रिकवरी हो जाती है. सो देयर इज रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन एज वेल एज एनवायरमेंट सेफली मैनर. सो हमारी कंपनी ई-वेस्ट रिसाइकलर्स में हम इन्हीं एंड ऑफ लाइफ प्रोडक्ट्स को रिसाइकिल करते हैं इन एनवायरनमेंट सेफली एंड एथिकल मैनर. एथिकली मीन्स कि हम लोग जो कंपनी से डेटा लेते हैं, जो कंपनी से सामान लेते हैं, उनके अंदर उनका कुछ महत्वपूर्ण डेटा भी होता है एंड उनकी ब्रांडिंग भी होती है. दैट रिमेन्स सेफ एंड सिक्योर व्हेन रिसाइकलिंग विद आवर कंपनी. सो वी प्रोवाइड एथिकल एंड एनवायरनमेंट सेफली रिसाइकलिंग प्रोसेस एज पर द पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड.
At Every, we are committed towards the soil and environment protection from toxins like mercury, aluminium and lead emanating from e-waste, and the same time making sure to save precious metals from going into waste. And from achieving all these collaborations, big companies have also been undertaken. With the continuous rising uses of electrical appliances recycling and proper e-waste management, is the only solution ahead of us in order to be ensured of our environmental safety. And we are ready to take the responsibility with involving every stakeholder to achieve the best for humans and environment. We understand you all are having a different kind of gadgets, which is now e-waste, and want you all to be part of our mission to recycle e-waste to contribute circular economy of our country.